Hey friends, if you wish to turn link state power management on or off on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command powercfg.cpl and hit enter. Now, in corresponding to the current power plan, like now balanced is the current power plan, the check box is next to it. Select change plan settings. Now straight away click on change advanced power settings. Expand PCI Express and you'll find the option for link state power management. So we will expand this. Now it is selected to maximum power settings. To turn it off, simply turn it off for both plugged in and on battery modes. That's how you can turn it off. As for turning it on, we have two options. One is the moderate power savings option. You can use a maximum, so you can use this for plugged in mode, or you can use this one maximum power savings for on battery mode. Now, maximum power savings means that it will use the least power. So you need to decide accordingly. Once you're done, click on apply and then on OK. Mostly, I mean, this is what I believe. When you're using a computer, you don't need to save power. A computer is not an air conditioner. It does not utilize a lot of power unless you're using it in an office. So you can easily use the option to keep the link state power management on unless you really want it off. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.